Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today is December 20th, 2024, and we are here in our kitchen sorting out some green bean seeds for our spring planting. What we have here is a 10 by 20 tray of contender green beans that we harvested back in end of August, beginning of September. We let these dry in the greenhouse for a couple of months, and they're nice and crunchy. You guys can hear this. All we're going to do is we're going to break these apart, get the bean out, and then we're going to have our very own green bean seeds to plant this spring. All right, guys, so what we have here is a 10 by 20 tray that we have collected our contender green beans in. And this is really simple, guys. All we're doing is we're taking these and we're going to pop them open. These are nice and dry. They've been drying for a couple of months. We're going to pop them open and get the beans out. Okay. All right, guys, so what we have here, we have our dried green bean pods. You guys, some of these will rattle. You can hear them rattling, so we know they're good to go. All we're going to do is we're going to break these apart, pop the little bean out. It's really that simple, guys. I know to buy the green bean seeds, these are real expensive, especially if you get the organic ones, like these are. We've been keeping these for several years, so they're acclimated to our environment. These contender green beans are heavy producers, and we usually get about 3 good pickings off of them. They're a bush type bean. They only get about 18 inches to 2 foot tall, and they'll produce quite a few beans per plant. See, that one's not any good, so we're going to go ahead and pitch that one. So if you guys look here, they're going to have a nice uniform color, nice big plump beans. Occasionally you'll find some that are a little shriveled like this. They may make it, they may not. Usually I've got enough beans, we'll just go ahead and pitch these. And if we got any that have split like that, they started to sprout and then they split whenever they dried out, we'll go ahead and pitch those as well. I got enough beans here that I can cull through these and only keep the best the best. That's how you grow the strongest, most healthiest plants in the spring. All right, guys, so in about 10 minutes, we were able to harvest a little over 18 ounces of these contender green beans. I really appreciate my brother, Joshua, coming over from Ashmore Arboretum. He's got his own channel. If you guys haven't checked him out, you guys should go ahead and do that. I'll leave a link down below. I'm going to send him home with some of these contender beans for his garden. It really is that simple to collect and harvest your own seeds, guys. They tend to do better once they get acclimated to your climate. All right, guys. So if you have any questions or comments about how to save your green bean seeds for the next year, please contact us down below or leave us a message over at Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and let us know. And if you guys haven't already done it, like, share, and subscribe. It really does help us out. We do enjoy making these videos, and that really does help give us the motivation to keep them coming to you. So until next time, we're going to keep this short. Get out there and collect your green bean seeds, guys. We're going to go through our pole beans next, and then we're going to start collecting our lettuce seed. It really is that simple to be a little more self-sufficient. Y'all stay safe.